Joe here, and today we're going to be opening some gold battle packs on Battlefield 4 and the ps3. We're going to be opening 16, and this is on Joe's account. The dog tag.
That's pretty good.
Okay.
Ooh, chocolate chip. Your turn.
Okay. Oh, you can't do that.
Ooh, distinguished. Ace, that's pretty good.
I better have all these on my account.
That's actually really good. Oh yes, I love the flare. Flare arts is the best to use, especially for not for long range, but to see guys in bush and all stuff is really good.
What's taking so long?
Just wait.
Sorry guys about this.
No. There, see? Takes a while to load, especially if you just did.
Ooh. Okay.
They're pretty good there.
You're getting a lot of emeralds.
I know.
Distinguished one.
Scout Elite, yes, but it's like light and laser combo. It really sucks. Just another flare. Sorry I'm pronouncing that wrong. Might be flare, whatever it says.
Oh, that was a cool one.
Again, I don't know how they pronounce it. Guess the coyote site. Oh, jungle!
I did that with my nose.
Spetnaz jungle. Scar H, yes! My favorite gun.
Oh, another superior. Three superiors and one
flare
package. Watch I get like all distinguished.
Oh, sweet. 200%.
Do that. Oh, another 200 and one. I told you I'd get two.
Two distinguishes. Oh, another one.
Come on, can we get two again? That's a nice camouflage.
Two camouflages.
Two camouflages equal one distinguished.
That's awesome. Scar H.
Ooh, okay.
Oh,
knife! Oh, we got
a
knife, guys. We got a knife.
Sweet. That's one of the most rare sides you get in the game. Oh, wait, my turn.
Oh, okay.
Distinguished, too.
I want to open the last one up with my nose.
Sweet.
Okay. This is going to be a long video to upload to.
Oh, last one.
Search better push that. Last one, I get it. I want to open all these with my nose, guys. Oh,
that's good. That's good. We opened up 30 today.
Yeah, but we only opened 16 in one video.
Yeah. Look at all my dog tags. There's be so much dog tags.
I'll show you how many dog tags we got. Okay, guys? Yeah.
Here's the new ones we just got.
3. Okay, I'll count it. See how much we got at the end.
1, 2, 3.
4.
There's gonna be a lot.
5.
By the way, a lot of these.
6, 7.
Coming out right now.
8, 9, 10.
Oh, which one should I clip? Oh, I like the helicopter one a lot. That's good.
Okay, that's it. So we got 10. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Bye, see you guys later.